Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Hub. In this episode, I'm going to guide you on how to get $100 Kroger promo code. For that, make sure you open your preferred browser. Here I am opening Google. Now on the search bar, you can simply search Kroger promo code. You will be guided to various websites where they will be providing you various Kroger promo codes. For this video, we are going for Retail Me Not website, so simply click over there. Here you can see 15% off, sale, free shipping, sale, and many more. So for this video, we will go for the 15% off. Now you can see the option show code at the right side. You have to simply click over there. Within a minute, a promo code will appear. Now all you have to do is copy the code. After you are done copying the code, you have to use this code while you check out from your Kroger application. Make sure you check out other websites too for various coupons and promo codes. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Hub. Thank you.